Today I am open sourcing one of my earlier engineering project, a custom designed multicolor BMG extruder for MDM 3D printer, originally designed for ARC M1 printer for ARC laser for multicolor printing. It can print 4 colors simultaneously. If attached with the AMS unit, it can print 6, 12 or 18 color. Look, here is the AMS unit, and it's better than the Index Rapid. It is faster, more scalable, cheaper. 85% of the AMS unit can be 3D printed and last, easy to maintain. Let's look at its working. This is the original AMS unit that I developed. Let's see how it works. Initial servo homing. The process begins by homing the servo to establish its minimum reference position gantry movement. The gantry moves directly to the coordinate of the requested color. Precise axis homing. Upon arrival, the axis home against the physical end stop to establish the exact minimum position. Gear engagement. The servo advances 80 degrees to push the gear assembly in such a mechanically locking it with the main shaft. Rotor rotation. The main rotor rotates precisely 150 degree steps to line up the selected line. This is how it works. Filament loading. The system feeds the filament into the extruder, which grabs the stand and pushes it directly down into the hot end. If another color is desired, say
White.
then it happen occur. Filament unloading, rotor rotation, gear disengagement, axis homing, gantry movement. Let's look at the material assignment, thermal analysis, stress analysis, and electronic circuit. All the gantry can be 3D printed, so anyone can 3D print this. Here is a detailed diagram with the name of every part, so you can easily build. First grade match for thermal analysis. I am choosing the motor as a heat source temperature at 70 C and surrounding temperature is 28 C. For convection, use phase and front back at surrounding temperature 28 C. Contact detection tolerance is 0.10 millimeter. The thermal looks good, not affecting the motion of the gear. Minimum temperature is 72 and the maximum is 70. Only affecting the lever, which is okay because it is ABS plastic. Let's look at stress. Everything is good here too. Let's look at the electronic. Wiring is very simple. The 24-volt power supply connects directly to the MKS board. It also connects to the buck converter, which steps the voltage down to 5 volt for the Raspberry Pi. The AMS unit connects to the MKS board. Its two motors are connected to the X and the Y motor ports, and its two end stop are connected to the X and Y end stop port. The extra motor is connected to the Z motor port on the MKS board. Finally, connect the Raspberry Pi the MKS board with a USB cable. This USB connection is used for data communication only. To make this project easy to reproduce, I will be releasing all the design resource, including complete the CAD file, STL file, printable G4, 2D engineering drawing, assembly file, recommended print setting where you are a student, maker, or a mechanical design engineer. You are free to download the file, study the design, improve it, or adapt to your own printer. Here's the MS unit, and is the gear mechanism.